Ekuseba fethu sithembisile sathi we will see you on the next episode. Siyasigcina sithembiso sethu like Diski Parliament. Siyathi ukuthi it's been a long time since this shy episode. Hey, bekubusy bafethu but we are glad ukuthi size sasithola isikhathi ukuthi sihlangane eParliament. Folks, how kanjani?
Folks are right, folks.
Yeah, hey, sigcine kudzala folks. Abasigcine kudzala la eParliament folks.
Dad, it's been like a week.
Hey, it's been a week, folks. It's been a week.
Yeah.
But otherwise, sijabula nje ukuthi sikhonile ukuthi sibukele ibhola together fana la eParliament. Despite ukuba busy kwethu sikhonile nje kwenda isikhathi namuhla ukuthi sihlangane sibukele libhani.
Cook.
Yeah, then cook.
Into ebalulekile ukuthi sicook deliver.
Ukuthi sicook. Into lesithembisa yona bafethu ukuthi you are going to enjoy this episode. So you might as well want to like this video now before you get lost in the enjoyment of this episode. Namuhla nje we'll be talking about the game that we just watched here, Buccaneers. Analyze lesibonile what we think we did right as Buccaneers and what we think we need to like fix going forward. Angikhongedwa ke ngiphethe analyst lelikhulu la ekhaya so mina nje ngitabe ngibuta lemibuto tabasiniketa nje micabango yakhe yangithola njenge expect lekhulu la ekhaya. Folks, overall what do you make of I game yavandag?
Yeah, folks, ngibulise i-feds ngibulise ababukeli. Danke guys ngomsebenzi niwenzayo, subscribe nokulike, siyabonga kakhulu. Folks, igame yanamhlanje beyithafu folks, but ndingathi iDurban City isebenzeka kahle kakhulu, but Pirates for yona ayikho lento bidlala.
Yeah.
Like if usithethe inyane folks, I think abantu abaya ngendlela abadlala ngayo ngoku I think ba provoke fans. Because ngeke understand but why kune spaces ezininzi for your opponent but the opponent you not 10 men
but ngibo laba create ama chances
yabo you'll see ushande beyedwa most of the time idlala yedwa une space yedwa kubandle midfielder yabo le unodada nabo zonke nje midfielders zabe zikhokha zodwa zilezo une space but bana 10 men and then thina sina 11 players. So la game le namhlanje le I don't think I game esingathi siyayithatha going forward.
Yeah, so
kumele sikhawuleze silibala like we just have to say okay thank you that because sifumene 3 points masibonke nje just siya move to the next round. Yeah, otherwise bad.
Which areas do you think maybe needed some improvement?
Midfield.
What was happening there?
Midfield and go happy midfield ambatha ngathi urelax kakho. Or relax ambatha akusuwe ambatha lenimaziyo. Ayi urelaxile umbatha.
Usimbonile shasha ama shots like.
Yeah.
Ubile nema chances and always on target.
And folks if uyakhumbula masiwele game ngize ngithi ambatha akashaya shot ngoba yiyo lento sekubona ngathi yiyo la yazi because anything edibanisa midfield akayazi. The only thing akamaster shona is shot kuphela. Yabo. Because dancing siya understand usasemncane. Uzozenza mistake. There's a room for mistakes ku dancing. But for umbatha si understand ukuthi ungenza probably 8 or 10 mistakes for a player like umbatha edlalela international team. Never for ayifunakala onto le. But for a player like u dancing siyamvulela nganazo mistake because say youngster uza improve each and every game improve okay dancing we improve but simbona okay uslow dancing urelease ibhola but wenzani ugode kweprotecting bengathatha.
Yeah. And shy box to box
no energy uyazi yo collect ibhola inside.
Then ma tactics a coach mawungase uyabuka le lineup yakhe, was it a winning lineup considering that there was Mbuthuma there? For me folks angiboni umsebenzi waMbuthuma to lineup mawufaka Mbuthuma nje clearly to me you are not going there ngale mentality yokuthi you want to score goals because it's not a striker that scored. So do you think bekala pha coach ngokuyokora amagoli and bekuyini imicabango yakhe kuleya game?
Folks, lena yona i-winning lineup just that i-strikers naso yona lineup yonke overall yona best lineup for i-Orlando Pirates, and then that is why I was really frustrated ukubona i-Pirates edlala lendlela, because I know ukuthi i-Pirates ikhuphe eyona lineup enithembele ngayo. Ungafaka Moremi, ufaka Apolice at wings, ufaka Maswanganye as number 10, Mbatha and Dancing. So azikho ezinye players engicimba uba mhlawumbe zinga-excela better than them. That is why ndiye ndacinga ndathi okay no, yona lineup yethu le according to experience and everything.
Do you think maybe si strike maybe a Radio Panes, then we played Apolice as a number 10 and had Moremi and Hositsile on the wingers. Best next even an impact level.
Ndifuna ukuza kuyo lo part folks, because yona lineup overall you're right, just that number 9 wethu problem. I don't understand why like why like why
No, I understand.
and understand
So I can't answer the why question.
but like even this season says kumele sikhala ngaMbuthuma, the same Mbuthuma besikhala ngayo last season.
Sikhala ngaMbuthuma.
And I understand folks, because uMbuthuma and understand ukuthi uzenjani ngoba babe professional player folks, because like wow, ku-Richards Bay la muntu ukore less than 10 goals after 4 or 5 seasons ku-Richards Bay. Less than 10 goals. Less than 10 goals kwi-Richards Bay.
Pirates beyibone yiphi?
Yini le ibonile kuMbuthuma? I'm not surprised uMbuthuma just because akakora. I'm not surprised because
vele
zange wane record. Uyabona now sisayina uPedersen. Uscore a goal like 50 something. I'm happy with that. Then I'll be like, wow, why angakora kwi-Pirates? Just surprised. But for Mbuthuma, less than 10 goals in 4 seasons kwi-Richards Bay. Iqela nto le.
So sure folks.
You have to say bathi Mbuthuma bamsayine. Bathi promising stripe. Bathi bamsayinela
bathi une potential.
Une potential ukuthi angaba stripe.
But
the energy lana.
Uyitholile isizini, last season yonke. Mbuthuma beka first 11 eBhakaneni. Nothing akadeliver nix namanje lama game lawadlalile nothing oyithule siwadlalile.
Hey mara sinaye promising striker kuPirates is Radiopan, because Radiopan ngoyokhule kuPirates uscore 25 goals kwenye season ku-DDC waba top goal scorer player of the season.
And namanje kule game lena sembonile makangena
and it's not the first time folks, it's not the first time Radiopan ngena uba na 1 or 2 chances la ubona khona ukuthi oh this is a promising player.
Sure.
But Mbuthuma uyaqhuba 30 minutes like this game, uqhube 30 minutes without touching the ball.
La manje la defend khona iball qhamuka eTulu wavulwa ikhip.
Why different?
Yes, Lisa Litsotsi. Yes, Lisa.
I'm not ready folks ukuthi this season I'll be sitting here ndixoxa indaba kaMbuthuma no, like Mbuthuma is not good for Orlando Pirates. I'm done.
Nama ngicwale Litsotsi. Angicwale Litsotsi. Then what do you make? We saw our new striker, our baby Haaland, was there at the stadium. What do you think the dynamics are going to be like in attack? Do you think now we're going to get him to start in the first 11, or is it still going to be coach's favorite Mbuthuma? What do you make of that situation, taking into consideration that we now have 4 strikers? Mahopa, Radiopane, we have the defensive striker Mbuthuma, then our new baby Haaland.
Folks, as folks, la eMzansi, it's all about how you end. Ungena njani la eMzansi? Yabo. And then ndithe xa ndiyibuka situation ka baby Haaland, that okay, ingafani kaNukovic nezinye strikers ezike zafika ku-big teams apha eMzantsi. Yabo if uBaby Haaland ngathi kwi-first game yakhe akore hat-trick or 2 goals so. Yabo. Leyo nto leyo izawumenza uba Martin athandwe zii-fans. Immediately athandwa zii-fans, ucoach akana-option but to put uBaby Haaland each and every game kwi-starting lineup of which that's what we want. But once uBaby Haaland angene kwi-first game yakhe aflope or else let's say enze own goal or whatever, i-fans zizawuthini zizawuba against uBaby Haaland, so zaphinda besaproduce the whole season.
Hlezi sinenkinga yamboto. Yeah, I know. Ngiyathola folks. Then defensive wise, what did you make of this game? Combination ya CBC na Siema ngiyo leskhere throughout the last season.
Combination ka Siema na Sibisi i-best. Up until today keep a clean sheet, but immediately after we introduced uZulu, we considered a goal. Of which I can't blame uSibisi because already uSibisi was saying ngaphandle. So andikwazi.
And that goal was a mistake yaZulu. Ibhola iphuma kuZulu. So for now ndingatsho ndithi kuseyiyona best combo yethu kwi-Orlando Pirates i-center back pairing kaSibisi noSiema. And what about Muremi? Igame yakhe, i-performance yakhe, what did you make of it?
Folks, ndizawuhlala ndikhala ngento eyi-1 24/7. uMuremi akafundi first touch, akafundi ukubaleka nebhola ibe isenyaweni. There's no need ibhola mawubaleka nayo ibe 5 meters 10 meters away from you. There's no need for that. Because if I think kwenye episode apha for example ngeke ndayitsho ndathi immediately ball ingekho kwenyaweni, you are giving a defender a chance ukuba okay, now we are going 50-50 for that ball. But as soon as bikuwe, even if it defend lapha kufitshane kuwe, xa ngabe ibhola lapha ezinyaweni zakho folks, i-defender yazi noba ndicommit or ndime, because ayazi uba uzakwenzani your next move. But now just because ibhola iyayibona okay it's 50-50 mos, lo mntu lona angafika kule bhola ndingafika uyabo 50-50, but ibhola ayibe kuwe, so uMuremi akwazi kwenza loo nto. Iyona nto emhlulayo.
Iyamshaya and ugejema.
Otherwise uMuremi as soon as emasters first touch, emasters i-ball carry akwazi ucarry ibhola kakuhle, trust me angaba one of the best wingers eMzantsi Afrika.
Then like kutshintsha kwakho every time coach masidlala uhlala enama late substitution, late that's desperate corner for a change, and most of the time ukhipha the key player lesimdzingako egamini.
Yeah,
like ucabangana lokho njenganamuhla simbonile we needed i-squad ukuthi si refresh, we needed new boots, wakhipha apolice.
Nami folks leto lihlangikhala kafo zakuthi kanti ku-Orlando Pirates kwenzekani, because sike sanayo coach onje I think there was a coach from Germany wangubana Joseph Sundbauer. Joseph Sundbauer, I think 2019-2020 season. Joseph Sundbauer was doing the very same thing. And then iyona nto yamhlukanisa ne-fans. Ukusubstitute like besimazi uJoseph Sundbauer besekade no 63 minutes semazi. Udlala yonke imizuzu 63 uzawufaka one player. Ububona bapha sineda at least 3 substitutions uzigame meetings afake 1. The very same thing nathi ngoyenza uWatu last season afika ngenja. Last season uWatu ubevela afaka uApolice ebenchini, afaka uMuremi ebenchini. Second half avajula uMuremi noApolice at the same time. Bafike bachinja game. Ade babiza impact players. Bachinja game bakho. But this season uyandixaka wathi vele kufika o-60 akakatshintshi 60 minutes akakatshintshi wathi I'm tired and then if utired akahambe
uca ukuthi ukhathele
utired vele wayetshile wathi I'm tired akahambe futhi tired singamforce wayetshile wathi tired
ake kubamba folks on last point before si rap Hositsile i-performance yakhe yanamuhla ngathi iyamsinza le badge namuhla. I think sim overhype kakhulu and lento seyisuke yamhlala enhloko. What do you make of that? Do you feel ngazuthi le hype yamcinzetela lo mfana, or do we still need to give him just a bit of time for him to like truly settle within the team?
Yes, folks, I don't think he hype mna folks, but I think boy is fakele pressure ngwa just because ifuna ukwenza something for it this team, because every time ukhositsile mayibambhola he's looking forward, he's looking for a goal or an assist. So as soon as a goal or an assist, then at least nerves zizokwehla kancane. But for now usakhangela that crucial goal, that crucial one goal, just one goal, then all sickness nerve abe right, abe cool, akwazi to understand the game na afunda ibhola. Ada end up na seke feel big like Mbatha, because nabo Mbatha bafika Pirates be hungry kanje ngayo, because you can see lantwana mayibhola every time in a hurry yabo. Of it sometimes you don't need to be hurried, you just need to relax and play football yabo. So every time when ukhositsile mayibhola we rush yabo, then one goal is amenza be right. I just hope ukuthi uzawufumana igoli.
Oh yes.
Not too long. Maybe in our second match in the DStv in the Betway Premiership, afumana igoli, so we're right.
Ngiyakubamba folks. Thank you folks. Otherwise bafethu siyayirapha ke manje. Siyabonga kakhulu if you've watched this far. Si appreciate kakhulu support yakho bafethu. Do not forget to like, to hit the subscribe button, to also hit that notification bell so that you never miss an upload. This is Diski Parliament bafethu. We talk anything and everything disk related. We'll see you in the next episode. Danke zinja zami.